Hello, good day everyone, this is Tefts. Welcome to this channel. This next repair is a 32 inches LG LED TV. It's turning on and has a video but no audio. If you are new to this channel and you find this video will be interesting, please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. You can also ring the bell to never miss a video like this. So let's get started. A strange sound comes out of the right speaker. Let's measure the voltage of the audio amplifier. 23.6 volts. This audio amplifier voltage is 24 volts, the voltage supply is okay. But the amplifier IC is hot. This type of audio amplifier is a Class D audio power amplifier, driving bridge tied. The speakers are good. These four coils are the filters and the output of this audio amplifier. The right output has a short circuit. I'll use again the candle method so you will see the audio amplifier is really hot. This audio power amplifier is defective. Luckily, I have a board similar to it. This board is for 39 inches Full HD and the XD engine is defective. I will remove the NTP7513 amplifier and replace it with the board I working on.
Chill out, take a breath, and enjoy the view. Frankie?
Duke, I didn't steal this. It's a new painting for my grandma.
It's working now.
Frankie, that's amazing. It totally captures and handcuffs that view. But you made the identifying features somehow more identifiable. Like in a police lineup, someone would say, that's the guy, but somehow he's even...
A few moments later.
Totally hunter-gatherer faster! You're right, Harl! Colonel, I want to do my new songs!
Whoa, what
The audio
new
is
songs?
working
Pops,
now.
The show is in 2 hours.
Thanks
Any
for
time to
watching.
play-
I
Is it
hope
new
you enjoyed
material?
my video.
Oh, I want to do my new
Remember
songs at
to
the show
like and
tonight.
subscribe.
Like light bulbs, mittens, and bathrooms.
Once
Like a
again,
caveman
I'm
in a race
Tefts.
car. Harl
See
thinks
you
it's a
in the
great
next
idea.
video.
Handyman? Puppy,
Bye
I've
for
always
now.
looked out for you. You gotta... Matters
Harl
of...
has